She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of confidence, emotional depth, and natural screen presence, Kiawentiio didn't simply enter Hollywood as another young actress. She crafted an identity of her own, transforming her passion for storytelling and music into one of the most promising careers of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on April 28, 2006, in Ontario, Canada, Kiawentiio's journey began far from the major studios of Hollywood. A proud member of the Mohawk community of Akwesasne, she grew up surrounded by a rich cultural heritage that shaped both her identity and artistic perspective. From an early age, she developed a passion for acting, music, and creative expression, discovering that storytelling could become both a career and a way to represent her community on an international stage. Her professional career began through television and film projects that immediately showcased her emotional maturity and natural talent. Even in her earliest performances, directors recognized her ability to deliver authentic, emotionally grounded characters. Each new opportunity strengthened her experience, while steadily building her reputation within the entertainment industry. Her biggest breakthrough arrived when Netflix selected her to portray Katara in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Taking on one of the franchise's most beloved characters required extensive preparation, including action training, emotional character development, and the responsibility of meeting the expectations of millions of longtime fans worldwide. As the series continued into Season 2, Kiawentiio expanded Katara's emotional journey, portraying her growing confidence as a waterbending master, protector, and compassionate leader. Her performance earned praise for balancing strength with kindness while bringing fresh depth to the iconic character. The success of the series established her as one of Hollywood's fastest-rising young actresses. By 2026, Kiawentiio is recognized as both a talented actress and an emerging singer-songwriter. Industry professionals admire her versatility, audiences appreciate her authenticity, and producers increasingly view her as one of Canada's brightest young entertainers. Her career reflects consistent growth built on dedication, artistic discipline, and meaningful storytelling. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance, humility, and cultural pride. Despite achieving international recognition at a young age, she remains closely connected to her Indigenous roots while continuing to develop both her acting and musical career. Family, creativity, and personal growth remain central to her daily life. Her fashion style mirrors her personality: elegant, youthful, and naturally confident. Whether attending Netflix premieres, entertainment events, or fashion appearances, Kiawentiio combines modern style with authenticity, creating a public image that feels genuine rather than manufactured. Although public curiosity about her personal life continues to grow, she remains focused primarily on her artistic development. She consistently chooses to highlight her work, music, and cultural representation instead of unnecessary publicity. Colleagues frequently describe her as professional, thoughtful, hardworking, and deeply committed to her craft. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from Netflix productions, acting projects, music releases, endorsements, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has established herself as an important young voice for Indigenous representation within global entertainment. What many people admire most is her authenticity. Whether performing as Katara, writing music, or speaking about her heritage, Kiawentiio brings honesty and sincerity to everything she does. That genuine approach continues to distinguish her in an increasingly competitive industry. Kiawentiio's journey is defined by steady growth instead of overnight fame. From a talented young performer in Ontario to portraying Katara in Netflix's Avatar: The Last Airbender, her rise reflects determination, creativity, and cultural pride. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as one of Canada's most exciting young stars, versatile, grounded, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of youthful charisma, emotional sincerity, and remarkable screen presence, Gordon Cormier didn't simply enter Hollywood as another child actor. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a childhood passion for acting into one of the brightest young careers in modern television. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 8, 2009, in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, Gordon Cormier's journey began far from the massive film sets that would eventually shape his career. Raised in a supportive family and proud of his Filipino heritage through his mother, Gordon discovered his passion for performing at an early age. Acting quickly became more than just a hobby. It became the path through which he could tell stories, inspire audiences, and express creativity. His professional career started with commercials and television appearances that introduced him to the entertainment industry. Even in his earliest roles, Gordon impressed casting directors with his confidence, professionalism, and natural emotional range. Each project strengthened his abilities while preparing him for far bigger opportunities. The defining moment of his career arrived when Netflix cast him as Aang in the live-action adaptation of Avatar, The Last Airbender. As the young Avatar destined to restore balance to the world, Gordon inherited one of the most beloved characters in animation history. The role required extensive physical training, action choreography, emotional depth, and the responsibility of meeting the expectations of millions of longtime fans. By the time Season 2 entered production, Gordon had grown alongside the character himself. Audiences watched Aang evolve into a stronger leader while Gordon continued developing as an actor capable of balancing humor, vulnerability, courage, and determination. His performance established him as one of Hollywood's most promising young stars and significantly expanded his international recognition. By 2026, Gordon Cormier is widely recognized as one of the entertainment industry's brightest emerging talents. Industry professionals praise his maturity, audiences appreciate his authenticity, and filmmakers increasingly see him as an actor capable of leading major international productions. His career reflects steady development built on discipline rather than overnight fame. Off-screen, Gordon maintains a grounded and balanced lifestyle. Despite achieving worldwide recognition at a young age, he continues focusing on education, family, fitness, and personal growth. His public image reflects humility and gratitude, qualities that have earned him admiration from fans around the world. His fashion style reflects his youthful personality while continuing to mature alongside his career. Whether attending Netflix premieres, fan conventions, interviews, or award events, Gordon presents himself with confidence, simplicity, and authenticity. His approachable style has made him increasingly popular with photographers, entertainment media, and fashion observers. Although public curiosity surrounding his personal life continues to grow, Gordon remains focused primarily on acting and professional development. He consistently chooses to let his performances define his career while maintaining a healthy balance between fame and private life. Colleagues frequently describe him as hardworking, respectful, and eager to continue learning. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects successful streaming productions, acting projects, commercial appearances, and brand partnerships. More importantly, he has established himself as one of the most valuable young talents in the entertainment industry with tremendous long-term potential. What many people admire most is his genuine personality. Gordon approaches every opportunity with enthusiasm, humility, and careful preparation. Rather than relying solely on the popularity of Avatar, he continues building a reputation based on professionalism, versatility, and authentic performances. Gordon Cormier's journey is defined by steady growth instead of instant fame. From a talented young performer in Vancouver to becoming the face of Netflix's Avatar, The Last Airbender, his rise reflects dedication, resilience, and remarkable promise. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of Hollywood's next generation, talented, disciplined, and built for a lasting career. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.